Inkless thermal printer with paper depot, wireless, A4, 203 dpi. Mini portable, rechargeable 2000 mAh. For school, office, work, home. Printing PDF, Excel, Word. Document printing. Battery-powered printer with Type-C. Print media. Thermal paper. Connectivity. Wireless. Printer technology. Thermal. Printer output. Monochrome. Scanner type. Portable. Operating system. Windows 10. 11. Compatibility. Smartphone. Special features. Portable. Rechargeable lithium battery. 18650 series. Power mode. USB charging. Buy the best products at the most favorable prices in Sellines network.